What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix the first Descendant crashing on your PC. Now, suppose you are trying to play this game. The game is called as the first Descendant, and whenever you turn this on, your PC gets stuck. So the problem for this fix is pretty simple. As you guys can see, I tried finding it on the Reddit, and people are saying this error is in the tutorial. So the fix is just turn all of your settings down to low. Once you get past to the tutorial, you can turn back your settings to medium or wherever you want. And this should fix the error. If this thing still doesn't fix the error, you need to update your graphic drivers. So suppose you have an AMD or NVIDIA driver, what you have to do is you just have to type your graphics card name and then simply tap on the driver. So I'm just gonna suppose tell you how you guys can update for NVIDIA driver. Search for NVIDIA graphics drivers. So I'm just gonna search for NVIDIA graphic drivers, and you will be able to see NVIDIA downloads. Just click on the first link, go to their website, and then select your GPU model. Suppose in this case I have an RTX 2050, so I'm just going to select RTX 2050, select my OS version, and then simply search for it. And there you go, the latest version will pop up. Just click on this download, it will start to download and then install it. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to, update the graphic drivers, and update the graphic driver will actually fix the crashing issue for you. Hope you guys find this video helpful.